Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trend. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Faith and hope are the inspiration to move forward into life. It is not what God can do for you, but what you can do for God. Warning: in case of rupture, this capture will be unturned. No God, no peace. No God, no peace. Be an organ donor, give your heart to God. God Jesus, because it's hell without Him. Crush it does soul good. Our gift from God is who we are. Our gift to God is what we become. A life without God is hardly a life at all. Jesus is my homeboy. Life has many choices. Eternity has two. Giving God means helping others and He will give double in return. Blaming others means you cannot change and thus you become stagnant. The most important thing in life is happiness and cannot be bought. Little seeds of love can make a big garden. Diamond trait includes holy talks and holy minds. He died from me, I live for him. It's not what God can do for you, but what you can do for God. Take care of your character. Your reputation will be automatically taken care of. To let go is the sign of strong people. It is always wonderful to view events and situations in a positive way. It is not easy for an ordinary people forgive. It is the task of great soul. The real significance of prayer is to connect God in our spirit and to absorb God Himself. Mostly sometimes all it takes is just one prayer to change everything. Prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God. When you do not know what to do, just do pray. Thank God for everything because without my life is nothing. Thanks God for this beautiful life and please forgive me if I don't love it. Prayer in the good